This is the terminal hanging down. You can tie it up with the rope. You come here, and the cable is just laying on the floor. All of these drop wires all stranded together. It's a mess. Let me say it a better focus. Yeah. All of these drop wires just hanging like spaghetti. Still got lead sheaths. Just holding it up with the rope. The lead sheath is taped up there. Then you come about 3 feet more and it's taped up again. Then you come up to the building about 15 feet more, it's taped up again. Then you come about 8 feet over, it's taped up again. Another terminal is open. 2 AMLs. Cut drop wires. Hanging down. Just comes across the span. Rattles just come across the span from building to building across the pipe that was put in place for an old fence. And then you've got a new terminal on that end that's being fed off of the same garbage.